All right, Spartan, listen up. You want to know how to do donuts in your car? You came to the right place. I've been driving warthogs through mud, sand, and snow for years, and I know a thing or two about handling a vehicle. First things first, you need to find a wide open space. You don't want to be doing this on a narrow road, or you'll end up flipping your car like a grunt in a plasma explosion. Look for an abandoned parking lot or a deserted stretch of beach. Just make sure you're not endangering anyone else. Once you've found your spot, it's time to get moving. Accelerate until you hit a decent speed, then turn your wheel hard to the left or right. You'll feel your car start to slide, and that's when you need to counter steer. Keep your foot on the gas and turn the wheel in the opposite direction of the slide. It's all about balance, Spartan. You need to give just enough gas to keep your car spinning, but not so much that you lose control. Remember the first time you drove a warthog in combat? It was probably chaotic and disorienting, but you learned to adapt quickly. Same thing with donuts. You're gonna spin out a few times before you get the hang of it, but don't give up. Keep practicing until you can do donuts like a pro. And don't forget about your brakes. If you start to feel like you're losing control, hit those brakes and bring your car to a stop. It's better to end your donut prematurely than to crash into a wall like a banshee on a kamikaze mission. One last thing, Spartan. Always be aware of your surroundings. You never know when a grunt might pop out of nowhere and try to stick you with a plasma grenade. Keep your eyes peeled and don't let your guard down. So there you have it, Spartan. That's how you do donuts in your car, Master Chief style. Just remember to stay calm, stay in control, and watch out for any unexpected surprises. Now let's go show those Covenant what a real warthog driver can do.